Hi guys, VidEcho1 here. As you can see, I've got my ticker working in the background. Today I'm going to be building a robotic arm. So if you're ready, let's get on with this. Alright, welcome back. Now, I'm going to do a quick unboxing so we can see what we've got inside here. This is going to be very tricky as I've got the camera facing literally right down in front of me. So let's see what we've got inside this box. I'm hoping I ain't going to need a knife because I can't get out from where I am. As you can see, it's never been opened. Tape is still intact right here. Tape off. So I'm hoping all this is going to be in focus all the way through. I haven't got to mess about this too much. Right, inside contents we have what looks like, let's open these up, looks like all the motors that are going to be required. Ooh, they're all magnetically stuck together. So we'll pull these out and have a look. Oh, we have 5 motors. And like everything else I do that's electric, I am building this on carpet. Now you see my computer builds, they're all built on carpet. And they are all working fine, I've had no complaints. So, as I don't need these for a minute, I'm going to... Okay, so it says robot arm on there. Right, it says robot arm right on there, look. So that's the stepper motors. You can see in here, I think we have... looks like a USB cable. I think that is the housing, and we have what looks like, yep, we have the Arduino board. I think it's Arduino, must be Arduino, normally is. So for now, put that back in its packaging, keep everything nice and safe. So much editing. Right, up next we have the bag of miscellaneous parts. Looks like gears, cogs, screws, wiring, looks like battery battery springs for a battery holder. I ain't exactly going to open this yet till it is needed. Okay. See, we have all the plastic parts that are needed to build this. 2 bags of. You can see this bag as well. You can see both sides of that, barely, but yeah. One instruction manual. And obviously the software to run this. And that was everything that's in the box. What I find on the box is down here. You can't on. It's right down here. It says it's for Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and 8.1. Works only with 32-bit versions. Or Windows 10 will work with 32 and 64-bit version. Now, all the computers I have in my house all run Windows 8.1 64-bit versions. So I'm going to give it a go with the 64. If it doesn't work, I have to run the 32-bit version of Windows 8.1 in VR mode. to basically install it into a virtual machine, the 32-bit version of. Okay, so we'll get on with the build now then. Right, here we go then. I said I'm going to have to do this. Basically, I'm going to be working around right here. You can't see it. Right here is the camera. So I'm going to have to work around my camera to get all of this done. I'll show you quickly the safety instructions. Just right there. So as we go through this booklet, I have a page of contents and tools that will be needed. I have this little toolkit. I'm going to have to hide the product placement, but yeah. This is the toolkit I will be using. Okay. Which you didn't just see me, but I actually just opened it and I'm off camera. Okay, so this is what I will be using to do this toolkit. I've got pliers, Y-snips, tweezers, screwdriver. That's a chip insertion tool and removal tool, static strap, yeah, whatever. Never use them. Little parts thing to hold screws and miscellaneous parts. Obviously screwdriver bits. Right, it's a basic little toolkit. I'll be using that to do this with. You can see I've got all my list of parts. Obviously I haven't checked to make sure they're all here. I'm hoping so as we go along. Right. So, the first part, unless I'm very much mistaken, no, first part is right here. It says mechanical assembly, gearbox assembly for M4, M5. Right, here we go then. I've put everything I need right now into this little container. Trying to do this. It's going to be fun. Yeah, they don't sit in there that well. That's that in there. Okay, so at the end of this step I should have something that looks like that. Now apparently I do need a motor. Goes. Does that come out the bottom of that? Yes it does. Okay. Right, now I have something that looks like that. Okay, I now need part 1A, which is this part. I now have the fun of trying to line all this up, and I'm going to do this off camera. Just trying to line this up will be fun. Right, gone on a few steps, because I had to make 4 of these, and they were really starting to annoy. But never mind, they are done now. So we've got the 4 motors that are now, 4 gearboxes that are now ready to be moved on to the next stage. Alright, so now apparently I should have 2 blue ones, 2 blue and black, and then the 2 orange and black. So on to step, what is now step 14. Right, this is B. So my flush cutters now. Because I need 3 of those. That's 2 of them. There's 3 of them. Now onto the base of the main robot now. 1, 2. With this, which is the base of the actual whole base. We put them all together so it now looks, I'm hoping the camera's picking this up like that. Right, now I need a motor that's black and orange, which is this one. And it just sits in apparently just like that. Alright, yep, apparently just sits in like that. Right, on to the next stage. So far we're up to that stage. So on to the next stage now. Right, as you can see, I've now inserted all the battery pack wiring. Right, so then we move on now to the next stage. We now insert the top. Because the next step is to put batteries in. I haven't got batteries. So I shall skip that step for now until I've been to buy batteries. Next step now we have what? Okay, that's the end of that section. I'll leave that over there. So now orange and black, the other motor. Right, go like that. F4, yep, that was that. Which is that bit. Okay. This now turns over. Right, that's the next bit done. I'm doing this in stages. I'm not going to, you know, basically let quick 2-3 minutes of each part showing you So like I said, that's the next part done. Oops, actually upside down. Should have a white one this side, black one that side. I did make a mistake, I will admit, and I put 2 black ones. So I had to take this one apart again and put a white cog in instead of a black cog. But that was no problem. Right, on to the next stage, which is up here now. I'll be basically making this part. I will see you when I've done that bit. Right, there we go. That's basically the next stage done. Oops, trying to pull the lid off. See there, look. We turn the page and go to the next bit. Right, so I don't need this part anymore. I'll put him to one side. Or her. I haven't quite made up my mind yet. Then the other motor, which is black and yellow. Apparently goes like that. That coming out of that side. I need F5. 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 How does that go on now? That's not F5. That was nothing like F5. My bad, wrong bit. That was N5. Right, this is F5 apparently, and it goes like that. And the other end. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, it looks like that. P11s, that's got to be these ones that are left in here. Ones with the smaller heads. On the other side, yeah. Okay. There we go. That's all the screws in, the wires coming out. Next stage. Okay, now I have to turn the paper around. This is going to be fun. Well, it never told me to put anything else on there. Important. Step 1. Okay. So I need P11. Which goes on. Ah, okay. I see where I'm going. P11 and number 6. N6. P11 and N6. Okay. And this goes on Actually, the alignment to this is important. Otherwise, she no work. It goes there, or it goes there. It can't go where it wants it to go. Without taking it all apart and physically moving that half a turn. Right, be back again in a minute. Right, there we go. That's the jaws done. Focus in, there we go. Right, there we go, that's the jaws done. With the LED on the front as well. Well, that lot's going to come out that way. Right. Shall we have me a drink? Working late into the night on this one again. Right, so there we go. Next step. Stop focusing on the wiring. Well, that goes over there. Right, I have to make this quick because my battery's dying. There we go. That's basically the main body is now all dealt with. I've now got to just put all the wiring through, wire all the loom up, and cable tie everything up, make it look nice and tidy. Well, there we go. It's all completed. Oops. Here's the finished article, all wire managed, the best I can anyway. Obviously I have to leave some wires loose for it to... Excuse me, just for that. Black one's fine, the blue ones I've got to pull tighter. Oh, there we go. What I have to do now is install the software, set up its limits, and hopefully see this working.